Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on the daily time frame is we had two down days in a row, and today we have this rate of change flip basically, and it seems like we have a 3-day low in the play at around 1.2340. What I found here is that market is testing the previous day low, and that pound dollar is holding, comparing and relative to other major currency pairs, seems like it's holding the best at this stage. So I would like to see if the market can lose this downside momentum, which is now active, and if the market can start to retrace into the previous day range. For now, market is breaking the previous day low at 1.2336. But if there will be some kind of exhaustion, maybe some bull divergences on the intraday frames, or maybe some bigger upside reversible building higher lows and into the previous day range, this can be a good sign for the potential upside movement towards the end of the day. So watch for potential exhaustion or bull divergences, or watch for the market to start to build some higher lows on intra frames and start to go into the previous day range. This will be a good sign that we can have actually some up reading and up day going into the later into the day. So pay attention to this previous day low and how the market will behave around. But upside opportunities will be preferable to watch if we see this exhaustion or extreme condition or climaxes and so on. The next one is the gold market. We had the inside day and there was a downside break from 1921. Market already sold off like $11 down, and market is trading below the previous day low. Previous day low is set at 1920, and market is trading at this stage at 1909. So it was a basically sideways condition, and market had a down break of this narrow day from yesterday and still having the momentum. So there is a still chance for the lower prices, but market is already trading for almost $20, so almost reached the whole average daily range. So it's in a breakout mode, but again it's hitting some intraday extremes. As you can see here on a 2 hour 30 minutes we got some extreme readings. Market is sitting on the lower Keltner, so also might be some kind of the divergences to show up. Watch for some potential for some kind of retrace maybe towards the previous day low and stuff, but not at this stage since market is still in the strong downside momentum. If we speak about the crude oil, we can find that there is a rate of change flip to the upside after 2 down readings, and the market is sitting into the extreme here. So I would like to see if the market can show some signs of the divergence, right, on the maybe on a 30-minute time frame, lower frames like a 10-minute, and some key divergences and or some climaxes that we can start. This can open the door for retrace and back towards the previous day low at 77.72, maybe even to go further higher. But the crude oil is definitely the one that is interesting to to pay attention for that potential upside move. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, so this market did break this trading range to the upside, and then it sold off into this defined trading range, and now it's again holding and trading into this trading range. So there is nothing at this stage. We still need to wait to see if the market will again re-break this to the upside, or eventually take the resistance at 23,500. That will be a sign for a higher prices and maybe retest of 23,900. But in the case of the downside breakout of the 23,000 like a 300, then there is a chance then for lower prices, maybe even towards the 21,650. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.